What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be doing my girl's Model Y. It's kind of like our car, but basically this is gonna be part one of the series. Part one of the series, we own a window film company. So we're gonna be installing our best products here at our shop, installed by us. This is gonna get Rpfilms ceramic 5% in the back half, 35% in the front driver passenger, and 50% ceramic on the windshield. This is gonna give us a nice look, not being too dark. And since we're in California, we're just barely below the legal option, but still should not cause a lot of attention for police. So step number one, let's go ahead and tint the vehicle. Okay guys, so step number one is removing this little trim. After we remove the trim, lock the window in place. Okay guys, so that's it for this vehicle. The step number one, we have the 50% ceramic windshield from Rpfilms, 35% driver passenger, 5% on the back half. Now the only thing left is to install our decals here, so that's what we're gonna do now. Yeah. Down the other one.